If you want to transform the value in either list or dictionary, you can use the map function. Just like with filter, you can use string expression, lambda expression, or you can pass in function reference. It replaces the value with what the function returns. I have a list from 1 to 100. With map function, it is very simple to apply some mathematical transformation to each value in the list. For example, we can square all the values by multiplying value with value. We can filter some numbers before doing the mapping. If I want only the odd numbers, you can see that all the even numbers were removed, and final result becomes a square of only the odd numbers. If I want only the even numbers, now final result contains a square of only even numbers. You can also make use of the index as well. After getting only the even numbers, I can return the first 10 items. Now we have only 10 items in the list. Here I have month inside the list and days of the week in the dictionary. Let's try adding an index to each value. It takes 2 arguments. First is the index of the list, and second is the value of the list. You can see the index and the equal sign was added to each item in the list. Since the function is in the same format, you can use the same function with dictionary as well. The difference is that the first argument is an index for list and key for dictionary. We can also make the value to uppercase letters. It is not necessary that we use the arguments passed in. You can just return some fixed value for all the entries.